Well, hello there. Welcome to Cranktown City. So, today we're going to be tackling my small parts storage. I want more storage because this one's already bursting out all over the place. And sad day, Husky stopped making these boxes and they were perfect. So, I've got these 4. I was forced to head over to the old Harbor Freight and I got these guys. So I'm hoping I'll be able to use these in some sort of elegant fashion. And I also picked up some transfer punches because, you know, never got enough money to buy a nice tool, but always got enough money to buy the tool twice. So I'm thinking we're going to be just outlining a center portion with these bins as nicely as we can, and then in the middle I want to be able to put this frickin' box of wrenches just standing up because I don't like bending over to grab wrenches. This is all seeming pretty lazy, huh? So let's get these open and see what we're working with. So upon opening this Harbor Freight thing, I've decided it's shit. So, we're building our own. I got these little stackable bins at Home Depot, and we're just gonna use those as our drawers, and then I got me a new sheet of 16 gauge, and we're just gonna build an enclosure for them. I can't think of a better way to do this. So the game plan here is we're gonna build our frame out of this 16 gauge and just stick these little guys in there on shelves. So you might be thinking, dude, you have a CNC machine. What the fuck are you doing holding the grinder? Well, I'm trying to use up as much footage of this sheet as I can because my thoughts with this was gonna be a real cheap, use what I got project, but you know, one look at those Harbor Freight bins and I was running to the frickin' metal getting spot to go spend $100-something bucks on a sheet. So we're gonna try and keep it to $100-something bucks. And the best way to be cost effective with the sheet is to not put it on the CNC machine, because I always end up with a little bit on the side that's just basically unusable. But I think all our pain in the ass cuts are done. We can start welding now. So halfway through the rough build here, and I'm kind of thinking, in order for the socket set to fit in the middle, this thing's a little too long for just these pieces anyways, so I think I'm just gonna bolt a couple of those guys up top there and stack them. I mean, why waste metal building all that when I've already wasted metal building all this, you know? So this thing's gonna be hanging on the wall. So I'm marking it dead in the middle at every 16 inches. That way I can hang it right on the stud. I'm gonna put some braces across here with little 45-degree pieces of square tube in there. Hopefully that'll be enough to hold this fucking thing up. Painting technique, so let's do a cheesy cut right about here. And now you get to watch me struggle. Hope you're ready for pain in the ass number 2. I'm gonna grind these little bumps off of every single one of these. All right, got my inbox, outbox. Let's freaking do this thing. Alrighty, I got one hell of a frickin' parts wall now. I guess all I got left to do here is just to go through and start organizing stuff. I don't know if I'll film that. That sounds even more boring than the rest of the video. You know what, man? I'm happy to get this thing off the ground. Maybe it won't turn pink again. So, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.